Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your turn signal bulb on your Honda Civic. Start out by opening up your trunk, and then on the side that you're going to replace the bulb on, I'm over here on the driver's side. We need to remove these two clips by using a flathead screwdriver. We're just going to turn the center portion of the clip out and then pull out on the center, and the clip will usually come out with it. If the outside of the clip doesn't come off with it, you can just pry it off with the screwdriver. And sometimes when you're trying to turn these out, the outside will want to spin with the center portion, and all you do for that is you just take one hand and hold on the outside and then just turn the middle out with your other hand. And then we're just going to peel back this carpet. And then from here we can see our turn signal bulb. It's this one right here in the middle. And to remove it, we're just going to turn it counterclockwise about a quarter of a turn, and then just pull directly back on it. And then to get the bulb out, we're just going to take one hand on the plug and one hand on the bulb and just pull out the bulb. And then take your new bulb, and I'll put in the description below which bulb you need as a replacement. And then just take it, and we're going to put it directly back into the plug. And it doesn't matter which way it's turned, either will work. And then when you're putting it back into the housing, you want to make sure that the biggest tab, you can see there's small tabs on all three sides, and then the biggest tab is right here. The biggest tab is going to be facing away from you and kind of down at a 45. You can see the opening right there on the housing. So they need to line up before you can tighten it down. So we're going to line it up, get it seated, and then once it's seated, turn it 45 degrees clockwise to get it locked in. And then go ahead and just get your carpet back up and put your clips back in, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys.